Now that we pretty much have our repair area set and clean, we're going to go to our New Era Composites Epoxy Fiberglass Repair Kit. Inside the kit you'll find sufficient amount of resin, a large amount of fiberglass for many repairs, your brushes, sticks, and gloves. First thing you want to do is cut out some oversized pieces of glass for your repair. For this repair, we're going to be using 3 pieces of fiberglass taken down in a step patch pattern, which means your very first patch is going to be just about or slightly over the size of the repair. The next patch is going to be about a quarter to a half an inch over, and your final piece is going to cover all of them. The next step in the composite repair process is mixing the resin. Included in your kit is a pair of gloves. Please make sure you put those on before opening the chemical containers. Next, you want to make sure that your cup is tarred on your scale before pouring the resin. Then, pour the right amount of A and the right amount of B into the cup. For this repair, we're going to be using 20 grams of A and 20 grams of B for a total mix of 40 grams of epoxy resin, which would be more than enough for our repair. Remember, you don't want to use too much resin in your composite repair, or your repair will be brittle and break easily. For more information on resin to fabric weight ratios, please contact us.